caught in the crossfire. Caught in the...
This nigga said his hiccups is from gay thoughts. Nigga, you can't tell me you not gay after that. He said he got the hiccups from blocking gay thoughts. Why do you have gay thoughts in the first place? Let's just break it down to the simplest form. Why the fuck is you having gay thoughts in the first place? And why you got the hiccups from blocking gay thoughts? There's so many questions you can ask. Oh my God. When he said that shit, I was like, what? I don't even know how to I don't even know how to yeah, that was crazy gay. I don't even know how to respond to that. Like I don't even know how to unpack that. Like, you just told everybody that you have you got gay thoughts. And it's affecting you so much that it's making you sick. It's affecting you physically. It's affecting you physically. That's what you literally told us. You told us that you stress because you having gay thoughts. It's affecting you. It's obviously stressing you out because it's affecting you physically, if that's where your hiccups is coming from, allegedly. But this right here, you can't say you're not gay after this. My nigga, you cannot say you gay. You're not gay after this. This nigga having gay thoughts. He said his hiccups are from blocking gay thoughts. And he said, I ain't gonna lie, it's mainly the gay thoughts. What? wait a minute. Hold the boat. Wait a minute. Press rewind. Oh, wait. Pause. Right there. Just stop right there. What? That's exactly what I was saying. Whoa. Before you get to anything else, elaborate on what the fuck you mean. The fuck you talking about? I want y'all to hear it coming from his mouth. I want y'all to see it coming from his mouth. Say, I don't think I'm just tripping. Yo, mic drop on this, yo, because I told y'all a long time ago, this nigga gay. And I kept saying, why is he talking about gayness so much? Why is gay sex on this nigga mind so much? Come to find out, he's having what Dave Chappelle say about Mike Pence? He said he looked like one of them sad gays, you know. Heavenly Father, please forgive me for Heavenly Father, please forgive me for sucking all those dicks. I don't want to lick all these brown booty holes. He one of them sad gays. Heavenly Father, please let me stop liking all these dicks. He a sad gay. Oh man, my stomach already hurt from doing these fucking 6 inches in these crutches. Now y'all got my shit burning even more. Oh, Heavenly Father, please forgive me. Please stop me from having gay thoughts of all these dicks. I can't stop. It's even giving me the hiccups. Oh man. Woo. All right, let's get serious. Here we go.
Between my body healing and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts.
Oh my God!
So the hiccups is between my body healing and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts.
Oh hell no! You better be careful there, little buddy.
So I'm gonna just be honest. And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts. And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts.
Oh no, he didn't. Miss Peaches.
And it's damn near more so
Hey,
the gay
knee
thoughts.
slap. If you see this, you gotta put that Dave Chappelle joint. Heavenly
Shit is
Father, please forgive me.
Shit is gay.
I'm thinking of having all these thoughts from all these dicks.
So the hiccups is
I can't stop liking these hoochie
body
daddy
feeling.
pics.
If we trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts. So the
Please
hiccups
stop
is
liking these pics of these
between
men in short shorts.
my
I
body
can't
healing.
stop.
and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts. So I'm gonna just be honest. And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts. And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts. And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts.
Yeah.
Nigga, do you know that I can see you?
We been saying Scott Skinner was his man.
Shit is gay. Shit is gay. So the hiccups is between my body healing and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts. So the hiccups is between my body healing and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts.
Yeah, I'm starting to think that yellow
I'm gonna
bone
just be honest.
was
And it's damn near more so the gay thoughts.
That was my
And it's
next
damn
question.
near more so the gay thoughts.
You made me.
And it's damn near
reminded me.
more so the gay thoughts.
Look,
Shit
here,
is
look
gay.
at came in. What?
Shit is gay. So the hiccups is
That's what I'm saying.
my body healing.
What?
and me
Maybe
trying to
that's
block
why I
out
told y'all is a
any
reason why he's so
homosexual
uncomfortable
intrusive
around
thoughts.
gay
The hiccups
people.
is between
He looking at
my
dick.
body healing and me trying to block out any homosexual intrusive thoughts.
Oh, you did not say that last night when we was in bed together, girl.
If you'd like some steamed milk with your double espresso, I'm your man.
I kept saying that. I said, yo, there's a reason why he uncomfortable around gay people, yo. Those real homophobic motherfuckers, they secretly the gayest niggas in the world. They them sad gays. Heavenly Father, please forgive me from liking all those dick pics. I can't stop liking those hootie daddy shorts. I can't stop pussy popping in gray sweatpants. Oh man.
You better be careful, little buddy.